MiKayla here and welcome back to my channel this week. And today's video is going to be spring clean with me. I was on spring break the week of March 12th, and so I decided I'd spring clean and I would take you guys along with me because I deep cleaned my room so much. Like everything in my room was literally dusty and it just needed to be dusted and everything, and that's what I did and that's what I showed you. So before we get into this video, if you guys have not already, you should definitely subscribe to my channel. The button is right down here, I believe, and it's red, can't miss it, big, it says subscribe. You should do it before this intro gets over. And also, if you guys have not already, follow me on Twitter. The link will be down below in the description box, and I will also put my username right here on the screen. And also, Twitter is where you will see a lot of my life updates. I will tell you the reasons why I don't upload on a specific day, if I decide not to upload, and all that fun stuff. That's where we can interact a lot better, so definitely follow me on Twitter if you have not done so already. So without further ado, let's just get on into the spring cleaning. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and question of the day is, when is your spring break? Have you gone on your spring break already? Is your spring break coming up? Are you on your spring break right now? Let me know. I want to know. I'm curious. I hope to see you guys next week in my next video, and yeah, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!